Hey everybody, Scott Carson here, and I want to invite you out to a very special day. Now, this is a day that's not for everybody, but maybe you need a little hand-holding, maybe you need a little kick in the ass, maybe you need a little bit of one-on-one coaching to help you take your note or real estate business to the next level. And I want to invite you out to a VIP day with Scott Carson. That's right. Usually, we have a very intensive one-on-one coaching, and that's a great program for a lot of folks. But some folks are more self-starters. Some folks are like, hey, I'm pretty smart. I've got some common sense. I can get rock and rolling. I just need a little guidance. So I invite you to come out and, like I said, spend a VIP day with Scott. It's a one-day one-on-one with yours truly. Fly into Austin, Texas. We'll spend the day pouring ourselves into your business, helping you take your note and real estate business to the next level. And I will tell you this, it is one of the most valuable things that you can do for your business. We've all got coaches. Anybody who's successful in the real estate, entrepreneur space, whatever space, anybody that's successful has a coach. And we would love to invite you out for this very special thing that we're offering, a VIP day with Scott. It's one-on-one coaching. We pick a day on our schedule that works. Usually this is a $10,000 product, but we've got a very special offering for you. So if you're interested in finding more information out about a VIP day with me, reach out to me at scott@weclosenotes.com or schedule a call on my calendar at talkwithscottcarson.com, and would love to invite you to Austin, spend a day with me, helping you take your real estate and note business to a whole nother level, ladies and gentlemen. Trust me, it's well worth it. Nobody closes as many deals as we have, and nobody has such a success rate with their students closing hundreds and thousands of deals for their own portfolios. So check it out. Give me a phone call. Drop me a message, scott@weclosenotes.com, and we look forward to seeing you all at the top, everybody. Bye.